Hello, today we are solving Jan 2026 Unit 2 IAL Edexcel paper. S. Suja Bottling PLC produces glass bottles at its factory. The bottles are only made to fulfill orders from customers. The following information is available for materials for the month of Jan 2026. So, one bottle is going to require 200 grams of glass material. Glass is purchased at the rate of 45 pounds per ton. There are 1000 grams in 1 kilogram and there are 1000 kilograms in 1 ton. So calculate the cost of the glass material for one bottle. So this is our part A of the question. We have to calculate what is the cost of the glass material for making one bottle. So that is going to be equal to how much of glass raw material you require. Okay, that is equal to the amount of raw material required into the rate paid to acquire it. Okay, so this is the cost. Now what is the amount of raw material? Okay, let's see what is the amount of raw material. That is equal to, here it says 200, one bottle requires 200 grams of glass material. So 200 grams of glass material, this I am going to convert it to kilograms. So 200 divided by 1000 kilograms. Okay, now next one is the rate. Rate it says is 45 pounds per ton. Okay, rate paid is equal to 45 pounds per ton. Now let's convert it into kgs, because everything I want to convert it into kgs. So divided by 1000, so 1000 kgs. Now the cost of making one bottle we have to find. So that is going to be equal to 200 divided by 1000 kgs into 45 pounds per 1000 kgs. So that is going to be equal to, so 0.009 pounds. Then part B of the question states that calculate the number of bottles to be produced in Jan 2026. Here the information is here. The following information is available for the production line for the month of Jan 2026. The production line can produce one glass bottle in 12 seconds. The production line operates without stopping from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. for 6 days a week. There are 4 weeks and 2 days for production in the month of January. Calculate the number of bottles to be produced in the January 2026. So in Jan 2026, how many bottles were produced? Okay, we have to ask, we have to find. So now, so let's see. So the production line, it produces one bottle in 12 seconds. Okay, so in 1 month we are trying to find. So this is giving in 12 seconds. Okay, 1 second. So let's convert it into first. Okay, how many in 1 hour? So 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute has 60 seconds. 60 by 12, that is equal to 5. Okay, 5 bottles are made in 1 minute. Okay, 5 bottles are made in 1 minute. Then we have, so in 1 hour, okay, in 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So in 1 hour, how many bottles? In 1 minute they are making 50 bottles. So in 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. Okay, into 5 bottles per minute, means in 1 hour they are making, they are able to produce 60 into 5. Okay, so in 1 hour they are able to produce 60 into 5, that is equal to 300 bottles in 1 hour. So they are able to produce 300 bottles per hour. So this is your calculations. Okay, so for so if the bottles are produced, okay, one bottle is glass bottle is produced in 12 seconds. So 60 into 60 divided by 12, that is 300 bottles will be produced in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour. And how many hours are they working? So they are working from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So now the next step is to convert it into days and then into month. Okay, so from 6 a.m. to from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., that is equal to 4 plus 6 hours, 4 plus 6 hours to 10 hours worked. Okay, the working hours are equal to 10 hours. Okay, if they work, so in one day they are able to produce 10 hours into 300 bottles per hour. So that is going to be equal to 3000 bottles. So in one day they are able to produce, okay, one day they are able to produce around 3000 bottles. Okay, and now we have to convert it into month. So there are 4 weeks and 2 days in 1 month. They are considering they are working for 4 days in 1 month. Okay, so there are 4 weeks and 2 days and 6 days in a week. This is 3000 bottles per day. Okay, so then now we have to convert it into month. Okay, so now let's convert this. First one is in 1 month. 1 month comprises of 4 weeks. 4 weeks and there are 6 days per week plus 2 days. So that is equal to 26 days in month. So in one day, okay, in one day if you are able to produce 3000 bottles, okay, so in one day you are able to produce 3000 bottles per day. Okay, that is in one day there is equal to 26 times 3000 bottles per day, is equal to 78,000 bottles in 1 month. So this is the answer. So the number of bottles produced in Jan 2026 is 78,000 bottles.